Enhancing your keyboard skill. To learn your computer keyboard better, you need to follow the following steps. Step 1. Open a blank Microsoft Word document. This is a blank Microsoft Word application window. So you might have a challenge in opening this Microsoft Word application window, which looks like this. This will help you a great deal in practicing on your keyboard skills. You go to the programs, and on your programs, you go to the Microsoft Office folder, and in the Microsoft Office folder, you click on the Microsoft Word. So when you click on this Microsoft Word, automatically this window will open. So this is a working area. So you will receive this working area, a blank white area. This is a working area, and you will get a blinking cursor somewhere here. So that cursor is ready. Anything that you type from your keyboard will appear from where the cursor is. So as you type, you'll find that the cursor keeps on moving. Start with your home row keys, the most important set of keys on the keyboard. Your left hand's fingers should be placed on ASDF keys, and the right hand's fingers on the JKL keys. Each finger should return to the home row position after typing other keys. I'm going to demonstrate to you what are these home row, or is this home row position. Place your left index finger on the F key while the right index finger on the J key. Only when you want to type the key G and H, your right and left index fingers will move, otherwise not. So you'll find that when you place your left index finger on letter F and your right index finger on letter J, between letter F and J, there are two letters, G and H keys. So when you want to type these G and H keys, that is when you will move either the left index finger for letter G and the right index finger when you want to type letter H. The top row keys come above home keys, and in your left hand, type QWERT using your left hand fingers, and in your right hand type YUIOP. The bottom row keys come below the home rows, and these letters are Z, X, C, V, B. So this appears on the left bottom home rows. So you use your left hand to type this one, left hand fingers, and right hand keys are N, M, comma, full stop, and backward slash. So these ones you use the right hand to type this one. Right hand fingers. So this is the diagram representation of what I've just explained in the above slide. You'll find that the home row keys are these keys. These are the home row keys. So these home row keys is where you place your fingers when all your fingers should rest at these home row keys. You'll find that your right index finger rests on key J, followed by the next finger, middle finger, resting on K, this other finger on letter L, and the pinky finger is resting on this key. Also for this left hand, you'll find the left index finger is pointing on this letter F, followed by this finger pointing at D, and this finger pointing at S, and this other finger pointing at A. So only that when you want to type this G and this H is when your index finger for left hand will type this one, and this one will type this one. Also, when you want to type these other characters above the home row keys, that is when now you will move. Like for example, this right hand fingers, index finger can type from Y, it can type U, this finger can type I, this finger can type O, and this finger can type P. Also for this other side, this left index finger can type T, and also it can type R, and also this finger can type E, and also this finger can type W. This other last finger can type, small finger can type Q. Also you can move these fingers on the left because we have the bottom keys on the home row keys, like P, and then we have V, then we have C, then we have X here, then we have another Z here. So these ones you use the left hand to type, and then from N you use the right hand fingers to type from N, M, all the way to full stop, and these other characters there. Step 2. Now use your fingers above and below to reach to the other keys while keeping your fingers on the home row only. Once you type those other keys, you bring back your fingers to the home row. And already you know the home row is characterized by the key that carries character A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. And we have this other one. So these are the home row keys. So at any given time, your finger should be resting on these home row keys. And I've shown you where the right index finger starts from J all the way to that part, and then the left index finger starts from F all the way to A. So that is the home row keys. So once you type other characters, please bring back your fingers to this home row. You can learn this also from the web. So you can visit several websites. Just type on the search or Google keyboard skills. So some online courses display a printed keyboard on their websites. as a teaching tool where a few letters and numbers are colored to help you learn more effectively. Also, online courses also teach you how to use your fingers for speedy typing. Remember, keyboard skills you learn say that now you are able to type very fast and also accurately. Say that now you don't accurately. So say that you don't make some mistakes while you're typing. You can also download and install a program called Typing Tutor on your computer, and it will help you to train on speed typing also and accuracy. So this is a very good program that you can use it offline. So you just download it on your computer, and then you are ready to go. You use it, Typing Tutor. So this is how you use your fingering on your keyboard, especially when you're typing the upper characters on the home row, above the home row and below. So you can see this index finger can also type R, and also it can type T. Also this other finger can type this one. And once you type that, you make sure you bring back the finger to the home row keys, making sure that the right index finger is pointing at J, and the left index finger is pointing at F. Also, on this other hand, you'll find that these fingers also you can use on the left fingers to type the characters below the home row keys, like this one. So the thumb, mostly you use it left and the right thumb for the spacebar. So you use mostly the thumb to press the spacebar wherever you want to put a space between words. You use the thumb, either the left or the right. So you can use this left thumb or the right. This is the spacebar. Step 3, you can type alphabets, numbers, and anything you want using all the keys. So find you can have even the numlock key, you have other keys, so you can use any of them. So it does not matter what you are writing. Keep practicing and try to touch each and every letter. For typing capital letters, press the Shift key. So if you want to type a capital letter, press the Shift key, and now the letter that you want to be capitalized. Or else also you can use the caps lock, although the caps lock will make it permanently. So if you want to type a capital letter, for example, you're starting a sentence with a capital letter, let's say like there. So you just press the Shift key and then type letter T, and then you release this Shift key and then continue typing the rest. Instead of typing pressing the caps lock key and then also you disable it, it is easier to use the Shift key, especially when you are just typing one character on the uppercase. Informal writing helps you learn more quickly, as you don't have to concentrate on the keyboard rather on the screen. So just try typing some informal writings before you now go to formal writings. So you practice it. Practice makes perfect. Step 4 and the last step. This is a most important thing, or the most important thing that you need to do. Do not look at your keyboard while typing. So your eyes should concentrate on the screen. So do not look on your keyboard. Don't. Just concentrate on your screen, and then now feel the keys on the keyboard. So at first you can make some errors as you are typing, but with time you'll find your fingers will perfect on the keys. Now, sitting postures when you're working on a computer. follow the correct sitting posture. Make sure your back is upright, you have a support here, and also your legs should be flat on the ground, and make sure your working desk is at the level of your elbow. So thank you. That is the end of this session. Have a nice time.